Well, apparently I was recording, but off the screen there. Got the point back. I think I'm going to stop right there. That should be pointy enough to, yeah, that'll slice in and do whatever he needs to do with it. I did remind him that knives aren't pry bars. I think he said he was pulling out staples or something. And it's not too bad, but we're gonna give it a little quick couple of passes on a ceramic rod. First few will do a little bit of pressure, then we'll just hone it, just float it just the weight of the blade. Just that quick, folks. Well, there you go. That used to be the squared off tip, all those little shavings on there. Nice new point on it. This is one of my favorite files, this triangular shaped file. Because of the issues with my hands, it's easier for me to grip it and hold on to it. And this is what I finished it up with. And unfortunately, I have filed down the finish that's on there. But I'm thinking just give it a quick dressing with a black Sharpie here. Probably should get a fatter one. This is a fine tip. It won't hold up. It won't last. But smooth it out there a little bit. Never know. One Kershaw back in action. Nice new point. So there you go. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until I see y'all again, have a beautiful day.